विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. A very good morning to all of you. As you know that today we are gathered here to celebrate the Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. This day holds special significance as it marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. And according to me, one day is not enough to dedicate towards our teacher. All day is celebrated as Teachers' Day. I would like to start by wishing all my respected teachers a happy Teachers' Day. It is because of your hard work and dedication that we as students learn and grow into better people every day. Now I request all the teachers to reach at the main gate of the school as the students are waiting for them. Happy Teachers' Day! Now it is time to honor our teachers. We have a smart token of appreciation for all of your hard work and dedication. I hope you are excited as I am to embark on this incredible learning journey together. Have a big hand.
Again, what will you
Well, now our principal along with teachers and their students aside for us. Almighty, we are about to start our celebration on the stage by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. This is a symbolized moment that signifies the dispelling of darkness and igniting of thought and enlightenment. It's our honor to have our principal sir and worthy teachers on the stage to do the honors. Now, we start our program with the introduction of the students. Today, students are playing the role of the teachers. Role play involves imagining the perspective of a person in a specific role and situation, and then speaking and behaving as one would imagine or would hope. Now, the students will come one by one and give their introduction and reveal the name of the teacher whose role they are playing. 9th and 10th on the stage with big round of applause. Now I request.
Good morning to all present here. My name is Gorosani and I am playing the role of principal sir. Sir, we give this title Chief Executive to you, sir, as your leadership inspires us every day and all we are grateful for our leadership and directions. Your efforts in shaping our academic success are great. We feel proud to have a principal like you who cares our every student geniusly. Thanks. And I requested to principal sir to come on the stage.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Jashan Dixi and today I am playing the role of DP sir. DP sir, we give this title to you, sir, as you are the entertaining personality. You always assume student with your assuming jokes. So I requested DP sir come on the stage.
सबसे पहले सभी टीचर्स को, सभी बच्चों को हैप्पी टीचर डे। जीने की कला सिखाते हैं आप, ज्ञान की कीमत बताते हैं आप। किताबों के होने से कुछ नहीं होता अगर मेहनत से नहीं पढ़ाते आप। बेटा, जो मैंने शब्द बोले हैं, मैंने अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए, अपने टीचर के लिए, जिन्होंने मुझे ज्ञान दिया। जो कुछ भी हूं मैं आज, उनकी बदौलत हूं। उनके चरणों में मेरा सदा प्रणाम। माता पिता के बाद बेटा, टीचर ही जीवन को सही राह दिखाता है। टीचर क्या करता है? तप। टीचर तप करता है और ज्ञान का सागर बांटता है। इसलिए आप टीचर की रिस्पेक्ट करें। जो आज मुझे ये गिफ्ट दिया गया बेटा, ये गिफ्ट नहीं, ये आप बच्चों को मेरे प्रति जो प्यार है वो है। इसलिए सभी बच्चों का थैंक्स। और प्रिंसिपल सर की ओर से, सभी टीचर की ओर से आप बच्चों को बेस्ट विशेष। आप खूब मेहनत करें, खूब पढ़े, इस स्कूल का और अपने टीचर का नाम रोशन करें। थैंक यू बेटा।
Good morning to all of you. My name is Nijay and today I am playing the role of Sandeep sir. Good morning to all of you. My name is Arpan and I am playing the role of Sandeep sir. We give this title to you sir as you pay the careful attention to your work and you keep the record attentively. Thank you.
Clapping.
Good morning to all of you.
My name is Bandna and I am playing the role of Urmila ma'am. Ma'am, we give you the title of accommodating as it is lovely that you are accommodating to your student by allowing them to learn in way them to rest them. Please, Urmila ma'am, come on the stage.
Good morning to all. My name is Simran. Today, on the special occasion of Teachers' Day, I am playing the role of Mrs. Baljeet ma'am. So, ma'am, we give you a title of energetic as your energetic approach to teaching and learning invigorates the student and keep them healthy and focused. So, I would like to invite Baljeet ma'am on the stage. Baljeet ma'am, please come on the stage.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Tanvinder Kaur. Today I am playing the role of Meena ma'am. Ma'am, we give this title to you ma'am as you positively express your idea and you have encouraging voice. Ma'am, please come on the stage.
Of you. My name is Bhavanjat Kaur and from today I am playing the role of Suman ma'am. Ma'am, we give you the title of positivity as you stay positive in every situation and inspire us to never lose our hope in type of situation. Ma'am, please come on the stage.
Good morning to all. My name is Imranjit Singh. I am playing the role of Smita ma'am. Ma'am, we give you the title of helpful teacher as you help the student to become better and informed one.
Morning everyone. I am Manjot Singh, a 9th grade student. Today on Teachers' Day, I will play the role of Mrs. Sarabjit ma'am. Ma'am, we give you title of dedicated teacher as you impart your full dedication to teach the students. And please come on the stage. Ma'am, please come on the stage. My name is Pradeep Kumar and I am playing the role of Madhu ma'am. My name is Nardeep Kumar and I also playing the role of Madhu ma'am. We give you the title generals as you are volunteer to stay after school to help students with their homework.
My name is Saurav Singh for class 9. I am playing the role of Diksha ma'am. My name is Harman Singh and I am playing the role of Diksha ma'am. Ma'am, please come here. Because the caring you show to each student, you make the classroom feeling like a safe space.
To all of you, my name is Dhanvi and I am class 4th 10th and I am playing the role of Preeta ma'am. Ma'am, please come on the stage. I give you the title of a friendly teacher as you think that being friendly with students and essential a friend approach from a teacher can make the learning process easier and less stressful for the students.
My name is Karun Singh and today I am playing the role of Bimla ma'am. We give you the title of student focused teacher as you do anything and everything good for the students and help the students to set and track their personal goals. I request Bimla ma'am to come on the stage.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Randeep Singh and I am from class 9. Today I am playing the role of Satvant ma'am.
My name is Harjot Singh from class 9. We both are playing the role of Satvant ma'am. Satvant ma'am, we give the title of cool-headed to you ma'am. As you stay calm and rough even when something happens disturbing.
Here, myself Navjot Singh, and today I am playing the role of Satveer ma'am.
And I also play the role of Satvir ma'am.
Title of motivating teacher, as you boost the student confidence by giving them leadership role in class and also motivate students by your shairis. I request to Satveer ma'am to come on the stage.
My name is Tanveer Singh and I am playing the role of Kamaljit ma'am. We give this title to you ma'am as you are good at understanding this or figuring things out. Thank you. I request the Kamaljit ma'am to come on stage.
I am Amanpreet Kaur from 9th class. On the special occasion of Teachers' Day, I am playing the role of our respected Vice Principal Teacher, Mrs. Harsha ma'am. She teaches us subject Hindi. She always says that manners are most important than the study. I assure you that I will play my duty with full honesty. Ma'am, I give you the title Experienced Teacher to you as you gain the diverse work experienced in various fields. Thank you. And today I am playing the role of Ankita ma'am. Ma'am, please come on the stage. I give you the title of empathetic teacher as you understand students' personal and social situation and responds to their emotion with care and concern.
Good morning to all of you. I am Harman and I am playing the role of Mrs. Shabli ma'am. So I want to invite Mrs. Shabli ma'am to please come on the stage. As you are so enthusiasm for your subject and also for the students. Thank you ma'am for everything. All of you, my name is Anisha and on the occasion of Teacher Day, I am playing the role of Gurjot ma'am. So I title of confident teacher to you as you share about your abilities, ideas and qualities. You seek about approval for your best as sources. Thank you ma'am.
Good morning to all of you. I am Jashan from class 10. Today, on the special occasion of the Teachers' Day, I am playing the role of Gurdeep ma'am. Ma'am, please come on the stage. We give you the title of sportive teacher as you use instructional behavior that support students' basic physiological needs for confidence.
Today, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I am playing the role of Harpit ma'am. I request to Harpit ma'am, please come on the stage. Ma'am, we give the title of artistic teacher to you as students love how artistic she is. You really brings out her creative side. Thank you ma'am. Parveen auntie and Kulvinder auntie on the stage.
Please invite Usha auntie on the stage. Please auntie, come on the stage. And Vijay Paji on the stage. Without further delay, I would like to invite Aman to address us with her insightful word on the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. जिंदगी गिरवी रख कर भी ना चुका पाएंगे हम उसका कर्जा। माँ ही नहीं भगवान के बराबर, गुरु का भी है उतना ही महान दर्जा। भगवान को भी भगवान बनने के लिए गुरु का ही ज्ञान काम आया था। माँ ने तो उंगली थाम कर कहा था चलो, पर चलना कहाँ है ये गुरु ने ही सिखाया। Good morning, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, worthy staff members, and my dear friends. Good morning. I am Amanpreet Kaur from 9th class. Today we gather to celebrate a truly special occasion, Teachers' Day. This day is dedicated to honoring the incredible individuals who play such a vital role in our lives, our teachers. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September in India to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, an educator and philosopher. Dr. Radhakrishnan believed that the teachers are the architects of our future, and he held teaching in the highest regard. His vision was that teachers should be given the respect and admiration they truly deserve, and today we continue to uphold this vision. Teachers are not just instructors, they are our mentors, guides and friends. They dedicate their time and energy to help us learn and grow both academically and personally. Each lesson they teach us is more than just a subject, it's a stepping stone that prepares us for the future. Through this patience and understanding, they help us navigate the challenges of education and life. On this Teachers' Day, let us take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to all the teachers who have made a difference in our lives. To all the teachers, past and present, we say thank you. You are the guiding stars who illuminate our path and help us navigate the journey of life. Your impact is immeasurable and your contributions are invaluable. Thank you and have a nice day. All the students please stand. Thank you and have a nice
Ceremony. A cake cutting ceremony is a common part of Teachers' Day celebration. It symbolizes the sweet relationship between teachers and the students. Here, I would like to invite Principal Sir and all the teachers for the cake cutting ceremony. Please, sir and teachers, come on the stage.
I request to all the teachers, please take their bouquet in their hand. There will be a group photo on the stage. Please have a big hand. Let's get ready for a wonderful performance from the students of class 6, 7, 8. Appreciate our teachers.
Please welcome them with a big round of applause. Please, big hand.
Good morning everyone. How are you beta? Today all of you are looking very happy. Your faces are very smiling faces. है ना? आज आप सभी बच्चे बहुत खुश हैं, है ना? As you know that today is Teachers Day and our school is also celebrating. You know that Teacher Day is celebrated on the birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan Sarvapalli ji, who is the second president of India. And why we celebrate it? बच्चों हम क्यों जो है सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? तो आपकी तरह कुछ बच्चे उनके पास गए और उन्होंने कहा कि जो है सर हम आपका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करना चाहते हैं। तो उन्होंने क्या कहा कि मेरे बर्थडे को जो है आप टीचर्स डे के ऊपर के रूप में सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो खुद एक शिक्षक थे और उन्होंने जो है एक बहुत ही अच्छे स्कॉलर थे। ही इज ए ग्रेट स्कॉलर एंड ग्रेट पर्सनालिटी. So when he asked the students to celebrate his birthday as a teacher day, then from that day it is celebrated as 5th September as a teacher day. तो बच्चों मेरा ये कहने का मतलब है कि हमारे घर में हमारे माँ बाप होते हैं और स्कूल में हमारे शिक्षक होते हैं। हमें जो है हमारी पहले टीचर जो है हमारी मदर है और फादर है, और उसके बाद जब हम स्कूल में आते हैं तो हम जो है शिक्षा अपने टीचरों से लेते हैं। आज व्हाट हैपन टुडे, द स्टाइल ऑफ द टीचिंग इज आल्सो चेंजिंग, द स्टाइल ऑफ द एजुकेशन इज आल्सो चेंजिंग। बच्चों का बिहेवियर भी टीचर्स के प्रति जो है चेंज हुआ है, लेकिन हमने जो है अच्छी चीजें सीखनी है, टीचर्स की रिस्पेक्ट करनी है, जो हमें जो है हर चीज का रास्ता दिखाते हैं, आगे बढ़ाते हैं, अच्छी शिक्षा देते हैं। और हमेशा जो है हमने अपने माँ बाप का कहना मानना है। ठीक है बच्चे, सुन रहे हो आप लोग या बातों में मस्त हो? अब जो है एजुकेशन सिस्टम जो है पहले वाला नहीं रहा है। पहले क्या होता था, गुरुकुल प्रथा होती थी, जो एक शिक्षक ने अपने बच्चे को अपने स्टूडेंट को बोल दिया वो जो है उसके लिए सर्वमान्य होता था। चाहे जो है उसको जो है गुरुकुल शिक्षा में जो है बच्चे को वहीं पे ही पढ़ना होता था, वहीं पे रहना होता था। लेकिन आज क्या है, आज की शिक्षा में जो है बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा जो है कोमल हो चुके हैं। कोमल मीन्स दे आर नॉट एबल टू डू एनी हार्ड थिंग्स। ठीक है, वो जो है कोई भी जो है सख्त चीज नहीं कर सकते हैं। सो what you have to do in the modern education, whatever the teacher is teaching, you have to follow all these things. ठीक है, आपको जो भी टीचर अच्छी शिक्षा देता है उसको आपने फॉलो करना है, हमेशा अपने जीवन में अपनाना है और अच्छे से आगे बढ़ना है। जीवन जो है बहुत कीमती है। एक बार जो है जीवन जो है ये जीवन बार बार नहीं मिलता है हमें, एक बार मिल गया भगवान की कृपा से वो मिल गया। ठीक है, इसको हमने अच्छे से जीना है। ठीक है ना, जीवन को अच्छे से जीना है, हमने जीवन को काटना नहीं है। तो जो भी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस गवर्नमेंट बनाती है या जो स्कूल बनाता है वो सब आप बच्चों के भले के लिए हैं, ना कि वो मेरे भले के लिए हैं। उन रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस को आपने फॉलो करना है। कोई भी बच्चा स्कूल में बाइक्स के ऊपर नहीं आएगा। ये स्कूल के ऊपर जो है बिल्कुल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए पाबंदी है कि कोई भी बच्चा बाइक यूज नहीं करेगा स्कूल आने के लिए। साइकिल्स के ऊपर आ सकता है, वो भी जो है बिल्कुल केयरफुली, बिल्कुल साइड से। छोटे छोटे बच्चे जो है साइकिल्स के ऊपर आते हैं, लेकिन केयरफुली आना है क्योंकि ट्रैफिक बहुत ज्यादा है। आई एम वरीड अबाउट यू, क्योंकि मेरे को आप लोगों की चिंता होती है। आप बच्चे हैं छोटे, कोई भी छोटी सी चोट लग गई तो आपके जो 3 या 4 महीने जो कई बार जो छोटा सा भी फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है तो आपकी पढ़ाई कितनी डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगी। इसलिए इन चीजों का ध्यान रखो। जो भी आपके गुरुजन आपको कहते हैं वो आपके भले के लिए कहते हैं, आपके अच्छे के लिए कहते हैं। हमेशा उनका कहना मानो, हमेशा अपने माँ बाप का कहना मानो और जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ते रहो। आप सभी शिक्षकों को, आप सभी बच्चों को मेरी तरफ से टीचर्स डे की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आप हमेशा स्कूल का बेहतर करें। धन्यवाद।
जाते शिक्षक हमको पाठ पढ़ाते, दिल बच्चों का कोरा कागज, उस पर ज्ञान अमिट लिखवाते। जाति धर्म पर लड़े न कोई, करना सबसे प्रेम सिखाते, हमें सफलता कैसे है पानी, कैसे चढ़ना शिखर बताते। सच तो ये है स्कूलों में टीचर हमें एक अच्छा इंसान है बनाते।
As we are going to finish this celebration, let's remember that every day is a chance to learn and our teachers are always there to guide us. Let's carry the wisdom and knowledge they give us not just in the school but all through our lives. शिक्षक और सड़क दोनों एक जैसे होते हैं, खुद जहाँ है वहीं रह जाते हैं मगर दूसरों को उनकी मंजिल तक पहुँचा ही देते हैं।
Once again, a huge thank you to all our teachers for their hard work and dedication.